Welcome to the ultimate guide on healthy meal prep ideas for a busy work week. If you find yourself constantly rushing in the mornings, grabbing unhealthy takeout for lunch, or feeling too exhausted to cook dinner after a long day at work, then this post is perfect for you. Meal prepping is not only a game changer when it comes to saving time and money, but it also ensures that you have nutritious meals ready to go throughout your hectic week. So let's dive into some fantastic tips and mouth-watering meal ideas that will revolutionize your eating habits and make your weekdays a breeze. Get ready to become the master of meal prep in no time. Tips for successful meal prepping. 1. Plan ahead. The key to successful meal prepping is planning. Take a few minutes each week to sit down and decide what meals you want to prepare. Consider your schedule, any dietary restrictions or preferences, and make a list of ingredients you'll need. 2. Set aside dedicated time. Meal prep requires some upfront investment of time, but it pays off in the long run. Choose a specific day or time each week that works for you and commit to it. This will help create consistency in your routine and ensure that you have enough time to cook and pack your meals. 3. Invest in quality storage containers. To keep your prepped meals fresh and organized, invest in good quality storage containers with tight sealing lids. Opt for BPA-free plastic containers or glass jars that can be easily stacked in the fridge or freezer. 4. Get creative with recipes. Don't let meal prep become monotonous. Experiment with different flavors, cuisines, and ingredients to keep things interesting throughout the week. Look up new recipes online or adapt your favorite dishes into healthier versions that are easy to portion out. The importance of meal prep for a busy work week. The importance of meal prep for a busy work week cannot be overstated. With hectic schedules and long hours at the office, it's easy to resort to unhealthy fast food or skip meals altogether. However, by taking the time to prepare nutritious meals ahead of time, you can ensure that you're fueling your body with the right nutrients and saving both time and money. Meal prepping allows you to take control of your diet and make healthier choices. By planning out your meals in advance, you can incorporate a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your diet. This not only helps support weight management but also provides essential vitamins and minerals for optimal health. Moreover, meal prepping eliminates the temptation to reach for unhealthy snacks or sugary treats when hunger strikes. When you have healthy options readily available, it becomes easier to resist cravings and stick to your nutritional goals. By prioritizing meal prep during a busy work week, you are investing in yourself, both physically and mentally. Taking care of your nutritional needs not only boosts energy levels but also improves focus and productivity throughout the day. Breakfast meal prep ideas. One of the keys to a successful and productive work week is starting your day off with a healthy and nutritious breakfast. But when you're rushing out the door in the morning, it can be challenging to find the time to prepare a balanced meal. That's where breakfast meal prep comes in. With just a little bit of planning and preparation, you can have delicious and satisfying breakfast options ready to go for the entire week. Here are some ideas to get you started. 1. Overnight oats. Mix rolled oats with your choice of milk, dairy or plant-based, add some chia seeds for added protein and fiber, then top it off with your favorite fruits or nuts. Let it sit overnight in the fridge, and voila! A grab-and-go breakfast that will keep you full until lunchtime. 2. Egg muffins. Whisk together eggs, spinach, diced vegetables, and cheese in a bowl. Pour the mixture into muffin cups and bake them in advance. These portable egg muffins can be reheated quickly in the microwave or oven for an easy on-the-go option. 3. Smoothie packs. Prepare individual bags filled with frozen fruits like berries or banana slices along with some greens such as spinach or kale. In the morning, simply blend one pack with water or almond milk for a refreshing smoothie. 4. Breakfast burritos. Fill whole wheat tortillas with scrambled eggs, cooked turkey bacon or sausage crumbles, sautéed veggies like peppers and onions, then roll them up tightly before wrapping each one individually in foil or plastic wrap. By taking just a little time over the weekend to plan out your breakfast meals for the week ahead, You'll set yourself up for success by ensuring that you start each day fueled by healthy choices. Lunch meal prep ideas. Lunchtime can often be a hectic and rushed part of the day, especially when you're juggling a busy work schedule. But with some simple meal prepping, you can ensure that your midday meal is both healthy and satisfying. Here are some lunch meal prep ideas to help you stay on track during your busy work week. One option is to prepare salads in advance. Start by chopping up fresh vegetables such as cucumbers, bell peppers, and cherry tomatoes. Add some protein like grilled chicken or chickpeas for an extra boost. Keep the dressing separate until it's time to eat to prevent wilting. Another great idea is to make sandwiches or wraps ahead of time. Use whole grain bread or tortillas for added fiber and nutrients. Fill them with lean proteins like turkey or tofu, along with plenty of veggies like lettuce, tomato, and avocado. If you prefer warm meals for lunch, consider making a big batch of soup or chili at the beginning of the week. Portion it out into individual containers so all you have to do is grab one on your way out the door in the morning. By incorporating these lunch meal prep ideas into your routine, you'll be well equipped to tackle even the busiest work week without sacrificing nutrition or taste. Dinner meal prep ideas. Incorporating healthy meal prep ideas into your busy work week can make a significant difference in your overall well-being. By taking the time to plan and prepare nutritious meals in advance, you are setting yourself up for success when it comes to sticking to a healthy eating routine. We've covered breakfast and lunch meal prep ideas, but let's not forget about dinner. Dinner is often seen as the most challenging meal of the day due to time constraints and fatigue after a long day at work. However, with some strategic planning and prepping, you can have delicious and nutritious dinners ready in no time. One great dinner option for meal prepping is sheet pan meals. These involve tossing a variety of vegetables, such as broccoli, bell peppers, or sweet potatoes, with protein sources like chicken breasts or salmon on a baking sheet. Drizzle everything with olive oil and seasonings of your choice before roasting it all together in the oven. Not only does this save you time during the week, but it also ensures that you're getting a balanced meal packed with vitamins and minerals. Another dinner idea suitable for meal prep is stir-fry dishes. Chop up your favorite vegetables, think carrots, snap peas, mushrooms, ahead of time so they're ready to go when it's cooking time. Marinate tofu or sliced chicken breast overnight in flavorful sauces like teriyaki or soy ginger for added taste. When dinner time rolls around during the week, simply sauté everything together in a hot pan until cooked through. Voila! A quick and healthy stir-fry made easy thanks to prior preparation. Don't overlook slow cooker meals for effortless dinners throughout the week. Prep ingredients such as lean cuts of meat, chicken thighs or beef stew meat, chopped veggies, onions, celery, herbs and spices, garlic powder, thyme, along with liquid ingredients like broth or tomato sauce into freezer bags. Label and freeze until needed. On the day of cooking, simply dump the